Thailand is a gorgeous country located at the center of the Indochina peninsula in the mainland of Southeast Asia. The country shares borders with Laos and Cambodia in the east, Myanmar in the north, Anadman Sea in the west, and with the Gulf of Thailand in the south. A mesmerizing destination, it covers an area of 513,120 square km. This beautiful country is a potpourri of multiple cultures. From ascetic lifestyles of the monks to the throbbing nightlife and rave parties on the beaches, Thailand boasts of a wide spectrum of things. The tropical beaches of Thailand attract throngs of visitors every year. You can get a tan on one of its many beaches or enjoy the many water sports available for those looking for the ultimate adrenaline rush. Also known for its massages, it may be a good idea to get a relaxing back massage from one of the masseurs by the beach. Ornate Buddha deities and its glittering Thai temples are a major attraction here, and the Wat Phra Kaew is an absolute don't miss. There are many royal palaces that one can visit in Thailand. Sprawling gardens and beautiful architecture greet you at the abode of the royalty. One can also check out the ancient ruins at places like Ayutthaya and visit one of the many tiger temples in Thailand. Thailand is also known for its street food. It offers an opportunity to bite into different kinds of delicacies at roadside restaurants. The fruit platters being sold at every nook and corner are a must-have. From high limestone cliffs and picturesque valleys to structures sitting on extinct volcanoes to beautiful wildlife reserves, there is something for everyone in Thailand. Thailand has an estimated population of 67,200,000 people, out of which 95% are Thai citizens, 2% are Burmese, and 1.3% comprise other groups. While many minority languages like Lao, Islan and Malay are spoken in different provinces, the country's official language is Thai. This video sponsor by bookinfinder.com. Easily book your reservation online. Save up to 50% on hotels. 24-hour support. 500 plus airlines worldwide.